This video talks about the Academic Advising Appointment Worksheet, which is an assignment that's not due until the end of the semester. However, we encourage you to do it as soon as possible. One reason is because you get extra credit for doing it early. The other one is that it's always good to be prepared by making your advising appointment in advance. So as you can see here, if you complete this by the midpoint of the semester, you can earn an extra 15 points. So this is one of those assignments where you have to pull up the assignment worksheet and fill it out, save it, and submit it. So step one is obviously to schedule an appointment with your academic advisor. Step two is to download the attached advising worksheet. All right. So your job is to fill this out accordingly. So whatever the date is, 4/5/20, I don't know where I got that date. Joe Blow, if you're advisor, if you're in business technologies, you can highlight it, it's fine, just do that. Your academic program, and here is very important. The easiest thing to do, I think, here is to just hit the number 1, type the reasons. I want to make sure I get the right classes. There's one. So you'll come up with 3 things. This is your meeting preparation. It's always good to be prepared before you meet your advisor. And then here are the questions to answer after. Again, did you accomplish all of 3 of the items that you talked about? Don't just say yes, explain the outcomes. What else did you learn? What was the most important part of the meeting with your advisor? And what is the most important part of being prepared? So again, this requires some setup on your behalf, meaning that thinking about what it is that you want to get from your academic advisor, and of course you should make sure that you schedule your classes, so that's a no-brainer. But what are some questions that you have for your advisor? What are some things that you need to know? I would think that you guys would ask your advisors about your professors. They know your professors. They talk to us a lot, and so you can use your advisors to get to know which professor works best with you, so on and so forth. So that's the assignment. When you finish typing all the information out, you'll hit File, you'll hit Save As. I hope you have an FYE folder at some that you can put your assignments in. If not, you should create an FYE folder. Advising appointment worksheet, just save it in your FYE folder. Boom. When you're ready to submit, click on Advising Appointment Worksheet. Remember to make sure that you read the rubric every time before you submit an assignment so that you can make sure that you get all of the points. When you're ready, hit Browse My Computer, find your file. So you have Browse My Computer. Locate your assignment and hit Submit. That's all you do.